As is customary at our school, let us begin this beautiful day by observing a minute of silence to center ourselves in calm and gratitude. Learning is not attained by chance. It must be sought for with ardor and diligence.
If we love what we are doing, we will be successful. When we find joy in what we do, success naturally follows. This truly resonates with the achievements of our bright stars from the junior school who have earned accolades for their outstanding talents and dedication. It is an absolute honor to welcome our esteemed Vice Chief Guest, Professor Vinod Solanki ma'am, a distinguished educator with a remarkable career spanning several leadership roles in a prominent institutions. We also welcome our Vice Chairperson, Anjali ma'am, a visionary leader who has been instrumental in guiding countless students of Jaipuria School on their journey from ignorance to knowledge, empowering them to dream big and learn with curiosity and creativity.
We also welcome our respected school heads and parents to the prize distribution ceremony of junior school.
We now move on to a segment that celebrates dedication, skill, and creativity. Our Excellence Awards in Music. Let us welcome our gifted young musicians whose performances are sure to enchant and inspire. mesmerizing performance. You have truly left us spellbound. Let us now welcome on stage the winners of Excellence in the Literary category.
भारतस्य प्रतिष्ठे द्वे संस्कृतं संस्कृतिस्तथा इयम् अस्माकं संस्कृत भाषा न केवलं सरला मधुरा अपितु आशेष शक्तिशालिनी। अब मैं श्लोक वाचन के प्रतिभाशाली विजेताओं को श्लोक वाचन हेतु मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूँ।
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भुर्मा ते संगोस्त्वकर्मणि। यह श्लोक श्रीमद् भगवद गीता के दूसरे अध्याय का 47वां श्लोक है। इस श्लोक में श्री कृष्ण कहते हैं कि तुम्हारा अधिकार कर्म करने में है, न कि उसके फल में। इसीलिए तुम कर्म फल के लिए प्रेरित मत हो तथा तुम्हारे अकर्म में भी कोई आसक्ति न हो। नियतं कुरु कर्म त्वं कर्मध्यायो ह्यकर्मणः शरीरयात्रापि च ते न प्रसिद्ध्येद कर्मणः।
अर्थात यह श्लोक श्रीमद् भगवद गीता के तीसरे अध्याय का 8वां श्लोक है। इस श्लोक में श्री कृष्ण कहते हैं कि तुम नियत कर्म करो। कर्म न करने की अपेक्षा में कर्म करना श्रेष्ठ है। कर्म नहीं करने से हमारा शरीर निर्वाह नहीं हो सकता है, यानी कर्म करने के बिना हमारी जीवन यात्रा की सार्थकता भी संभव नहीं होती है।
I would request Anjali ma'am, Professor Vinod Solanki ma'am and Promini ma'am to present the awards for excellence in Hindustani vocal and instrumental music.
Let's welcome on stage the winners of Excellence in Tabla. And the award goes to Prisha Rai and Vedanshi Singh of Grade 3. Avyan Tiwari and Viraj Thakur of Grade 4 and Anika Chandra of Grade 5. Now we welcome on stage the winners of Excellence in Hindustani Vocal Music, and the award goes to Vaibhav Vajpayee and Mitray Mishra of Grade 2, Rishika Tripathi of Grade 4 and Riona Sinha of Grade 5.
To welcome the champions of excellence in Congo, Shaurya Devanraj of Grade 3, Advik Savita of Grade 4 and Kshitij of Grade 5. Let's give them a huge round of applause. They demonstrate an inclination towards playing the instrument and are an integral part of the school orchestra. Next, we have the winners of excellence in bongo, David Thakur of Grade 2 and Kaustubh of Grade 5. They dazzle us with their rhythmic brilliance. The next category is excellence in violin, and the award goes to Shatakshi Singh of Grade 5. Her diligence towards the art is reflected through her captivating performances. Time to welcome on stage the winners for excellence in Hindustani keyboard. And this award is backed by Atharv Rai of Grade 4 and Saransh Agarwal of Grade 5. They are scintillating keyboard players who captivate the audience through their soulful tunes. Now, we have the awards for excellence in Hindustani guitar. The award goes to Vaibhav Pratap Singh of grade 5. He is a talented performer who breathes life in the school orchestra. Let's welcome on stage the winners of Excellence in Dholak, Arna Chaurasia of grade 5. She captivates her listeners and enriches every melody with vibrant beats.
The award for excellence in mandolin goes to Abhiraj Pandey of grade 3. Abhiraj is a true mandolin achiever, blending passion and precision to create musical magic. With that, I now pass the microphone to Shambhavi and Advita, who will continue with the next segment of awards in the literary category.
इदानीम् अहं श्लोकवाचने उत्कृष्ट विजेतारः सन्ति तान् मञ्चं प्रति आह्वयामि। यशिका त्रिपाठी एवं रुद्रांश सिंह सेंगर कक्षा 2 से, अन्वेषा मिश्रा कक्षा 3 से, आराध्या कक्षा 4 से और प्रियम तिवारी कक्षा 5 से। एतैः उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शनस्य स्वर सामञ्जस्य च योगेन श्रोत्राणां चित्तं मन्त्रमुग्धं कृतं तान् चित्राकर्षणस्य कृते मञ्चं प्रति आह्वयामि।
Let's welcome the all-rounder from junior school for the session 2024 to 25. A student who embodies the spirit of an all-rounder. He is academically bright as well as deeply thoughtful and reflective in his approach to learning. With a keen curiosity, he looks beyond rote memorization to find meaning, logic, and joy in knowledge. His love for Sanskrit, yoga, and reading shows his depth, while his achievements in competitions like Logic Quiz, Crescendo, and Rasmingle reflect his talent and hard work. He is a thinker, a performer, a team player, and above all, a child with humility, gratitude, and determination. It gives us immense pride to present to you a true all-rounder of our school.
We request Professor Vinod Solanki ma'am, Anjali ma'am and Promini ma'am to be on stage. I now invite Atharv Jindal, all-rounder junior school for the session 2024-25 and his parents, Mrs. and Mr. Jindal on stage.
अब प्रस्तुत है हमारी नई नन्ही कवित्री अनुश्री, जिनकी वाणी मन को छू लेने वाली है और जो अपने शब्दों से सबका हृदय जीत लेती हैं।
पराधीनता को जहाँ समझा श्राप महान, पराधीनता को जहाँ समझा श्राप महान, कड़ के खातिर जहाँ हुए कोटि बलिदान। मरना पर झुकना नहीं, मरना पर झुकना नहीं, मिला जिससे वरदान। सुनो सुनो उस देश की सूरवीर संतान, आन मान अभिमान की धरती पैदा करती दीवाने। मेरे देश के लाल हटीले शीश झुकाना क्या जाने, शीश झुकाना क्या जाने। आज़ादी अधिकार सभी का, आज़ादी अधिकार सभी का, जहाँ बोलते सेनानी विश्व शांति के गीत, जहाँ सुनाती चुनरियाँ ये धानी। मेघ सावले बरसते हैं जहाँ अहिंसा का पानी, अपनी मांगे पोंछ डालती हंसते हंसते कल्याणी। ऐसी भारत माँ के बेटे मान गंवाना क्या जाने, मेरे देश के लाल हटीले शीश झुकाना क्या जाने, शीश झुकाना क्या जाने। जहाँ पढ़ाया जाता केवल माँ के खातिर मर जाना, जहाँ सिखाया जाता अपने वचन निभाना। जियो शान से मरो शान से, जहाँ का है कौमी गाना, बच्चा बच्चा पहने रहता जहाँ शहीदों का बाना। उस देश के अमर सिपाही पीठ दिखाना क्या जाने, मेरे देश के लाल हटीले शीश झुकाना क्या जाने, शीश झुकाना क्या जाने। धन्यवाद।
कविता की ये प्रस्तुति केवल शब्द नहीं थी, बल्कि वीरों के प्रति सम्मान और सच्ची श्रद्धा की अभिव्यक्ति थी। अनुश्री जी की इस अद्भुत प्रस्तुति के लिए धन्यवाद। अब मैं पुरस्कार वितरण के लिए मिताली मैम और कनिका मैम को मंच पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी। हिंदी वाग्मिता में उत्कृष्टता पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया जा रहा है इन विजेताओं को। जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करते हैं रिदीक्षा सिंह कक्षा 2 की। अब आ रही हैं रुद्राक्षी तिवारी कक्षा 3 से, श्रेष्ठा तिवारी जो कि कक्षा 4 की छात्रा हैं। करतल ध्वनि से स्वागत करते हैं अनुश्री का कक्षा 5 से।
We now announce the winners of excellence in English elocution. Akshita Tiwari of grade 2, Shatakshi Maheshwari of grade 3, Avishka of grade 4, Subhan Pandey of grade 5. Congratulations, winners! Dear audience, keep your claps rolling.
Storytelling is all about painting a picture, resonating with emotions, and allowing your audience to visualize the characters and transporting them to the setting. Now I invite Anushka Agarwal to transport us to the world of fantasy through her art of narrating the story.
Once upon a time, in a land far away, there was an enchanted forest where magical creatures lived. This forest was home to many beautiful fairies, talking animals, and a wise old wizard named Merlin. One day, a curious and adventurous young girl named Daisy decided to explore the enchanted forest. As she walked through the forest, she came across a beautiful golden apple hanging from a tree. She reached out to pluck it, but suddenly Merlin appeared and warned her. This apple is not just any fruit. It grants immense power only to those with a pure heart. Daisy decided to leave the apple and continued her journey. Along the way, she helped a fairy with a broken wing, shared her food with a hungry fox, guided a lost deer back to its family. Her kindness touched the hearts of forest creatures. When she returned to the spot where the golden apple was, she found it had turned into a dazzling golden light. Merlin appeared again and said, "You have proven your pure heart, Daisy. The true power of the apple was in the kindness you showed. You have made the forest a better place." So, true power and greatness come from kindness and helping others. Thank you.
Now I invite Roopsi ma'am and Joyita ma'am on stage to honor the achievers of storytelling. The award for excellence in storytelling goes to Ananya Mittal of grade 2, Anushka Agarwal of grade 3, and Tashi Tomar of grade 4. Their narration grabs the attention of the listeners and keeps them engaged. कहानियों की दुनिया को अपनी मीठी बोली एवं भावपूर्ण अंदाज से सजाने वाली तथा जयपुरिया क्रिसेंडो में तृतीय पुरस्कार से सम्मानित आराध्या त्रिपाठी का जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करते हैं। A master in the art of storytelling, she received the 3rd prize in Cultural Fest of Jaipuria Schools, Crescendo 2024.
Moving forward, let us now appreciate our creative writers in Hindi and English who spins dance across the page, crafting stories, poems and essays that captivate our minds and stir our souls. we call on stage the meritorious students to receive their awards for excellence in English creative writing. Satvik Dubey of Grade 2, Ivansha Rai of Grade 3 and Sarvatra Vyas of Grade 4. Congratulations friends! They are prolific writers. Their clarity of thoughts and flow of expression is reflected through their creative work, which is engaging and holds the reader's attention.
शब्दों से रंग भरकर नन्हे लेखकों ने सपनों को आकार दिया है। उनकी रचनाएं, विचारों की गहराई और भाषा की सहजता सभी को प्रभावित करती है। अब हम मंच पर सम्मानित करने के लिए आमंत्रित करते हैं हिंदी रचनात्मक लेखन पुरस्कार के विजेताओं को। पहले आ रही हैं नन्ही लेखिका देवांगिनी पांडे और श्रीनिका अवस्थी का कक्षा 3 से। अब आ रहे हैं आरव रस्तोगी कक्षा 4 से। कक्षा 5 की रचनात्मक लेखन प्रतियोगिता की विजेता है अन्विता कश्यप।
Let us welcome our winners on stage for a mesmerizing dance performance. Their talent and dedication have earned them this moment to shine. Winners, the stage is yours. We would now be giving away the awards for excellence in dance. I invite Deepthi ma'am and Millie ma'am to give away the awards. The first category is excellence in folk dance, and this award is bagged by Krisha Gupta of grade 2, Prisha Arora of grade 3, Aradhya Goyal of grade 4 and Kavya Channa of grade 5.
Moving on to the next category, Excellence in Kathak, and the award goes to Ishanvi Kakkar of grade 2, Narayani Pathak of grade 3, Pritha Singh of grade 4 and Keshvi Mishra of grade 5. The classical dancers of Jaipuria whose movements are fluid and effortless. Moving on to the next category, Excellence in Bharatnatyam. The award goes to Sanvika Kapoor of grade 3, Navya Singh and Prisha Singh of grade 4, and Aradhya Kashyap of grade 5. Congratulations to the winners. They enthrall the audience with their graceful mudras and expressions.
Today, we celebrate the artistry of the stage, presenting the awards for excellence in English dramatics. Akshayani Verma of grade 4 and Ishal Rastogi of grade 5.
Akshayani, you know, success is like a ladder. Every step of effort takes us higher.
Yes, Ishal. And the best part is, even if we win or lose, we always get to learn something new.
Yes, Akshayani, that is true.
It's not just about winning. It's about celebrating the spirit of learning.
अगला पुरस्कार है हिंदी नाटक प्रस्तुति के विजेताओं का, जिनका हर संवाद और अभिनय दिलों को छू लेता है। यह सम्मान जाता है हमारे प्रतिभाशाली विजेताओं अथर्व रस्तोगी कक्षा 4 तथा नित्या त्रिवेदी कक्षा 5 से। जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करते हैं इनका।
वंदे मातरम। मैं अथर्व रस्तोगी
और मैं नित्या त्रिवेदी।
दीदी, आज की तारीख में कुछ खास है क्या?
खास है, आज तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट।
लेकिन दीदी, तालियां तो हर कोई बजा देता है, इसमें खास क्या है?
तालियां तभी गूंजती हैं जब उनके पीछे सच्चे कर्म की ताकत होती है।
तो असली प्रधान हमारे कर्म हुए और तालियां उनकी पहचान।
बिल्कुल, याद रखो, तालियां क्षणिक हैं पर कर्म अमर पहचान छोड़ जाते हैं।
Next, we have the winners of Excellence in Fine Arts and Computer Science. I invite Neha Ma'am and Jaya Joshi Ma'am to give away the awards. Let us now welcome our achievers in art who turn and twist lines and figures to express themselves. The talented artists who have excelled in the field of art are Parth Singh Chauhan of grade 2, Amaira Singh of grade 3, Shivai of grade 4, and Shivanya Sharma of grade 5. Their brushes dance with colors to create magic on paper.
Their creativity knows no bounds. The award for excellence in craft goes to Ishveer Vohra of grade 2, Adhira Singhal of grade 3, Hifsa Fatima of grade 4 and Mohina Pandey of grade 5. They turn bits and pieces into treasures of creativity.
The award for excellence in clay modeling goes to Gauri Rastogi of grade 4. Congratulations, Gauri. she turns soft clay into strong creations of beauty.
Their passion for coding shines brightly. The award for excellence in computer science goes to the digital wizards Riddhan Verma of grade 2, Sudiksha Agarwal of grade 3, Anshika Pant of grade 4 and Arshab Seth of grade 5. Congratulations to the winners. They seamlessly integrate technological powers into their computer science endeavors.
The next category is numeracy. Excellence in math is backed by Viraj Sachdev of grade 2, Anant Rai of grade 3, Nimesh Niranjan of grade 4 and Sarvang Pandey of grade 5. They have proved that numbers can dance when handled with skill. Excellence in MindSpark goes to Saksham Saini of grade 3, Atharv Agarwal of grade 4 and Vrishang Kumar of grade 5. Their accuracy and speed in MindSpark is appreciated.
The award for excellence in mental maths and logical skills is backed by Harshita Agarwal of grade 2, Suryansh Pathak of grade 3, Anav Narwaria of grade 4 and Sufyan Muhammad of grade 5. Congratulations to the winners. They are natural wizards of numbers, effortlessly solving puzzles and equations with logic and precision.
Where dedication meets triumph, champions emerge. Let's award our rising stars of chess. Excellence in chess goes to Virat K. Sarvani of grade 2, Atharv Tiwari and Ariman Kushwaha of grade 3. They think ahead, move ahead and shine on the chessboard. Now, excellence in athletics is backed by Avik Singh and Sanvika Singh of grade 3, Aradhya Yadav of grade 4 and Vibhor Singh Rathore of grade 5. Congratulations to the winners! These young athletes are the powerhouse of dedication and determination, sprinting towards success with every stride.
Excellence in swimming, boys, goes to Ahan Raghuvanshi of grade 2, Ishan Dubey of grade 3, Gauransh Kandpal of grade 4, Abhigyan Yadav of grade 5. Excellence in swimming, girls, goes to Shanaya Yadav of grade 2, Gauravi Singh of grade 3 and Manushree Sharma of grade 5. Diving into excellence, these young swimmers make waves with skill and determination. Let's give them a huge round of applause.
Excellence in basketball goes to Ekam Man of grade 5. Congratulations, Ekam. He dribbles with energy and shoots with confidence. Excellence in martial arts goes to Rajanandini Thakur of Grade 3, Shambhavi of Grade 4 and Pranika Singh of Grade 5. Congratulations, winners! They blend strength with discipline and courage with skill, turning every move into a mark of excellence. Excellence in football goes to Siddhant Shukla of Grade 5. He runs with speed kicks with power and plays every game with true team spirit.
It's time to welcome the champions of excellence in hockey, and the award goes to Anand Pratap Singh of Grade 5. He is a force of grit and skill, gliding across the field with fierce determination and heart set on victory. The award for excellence in cricket goes to Kushagra Pandey of Grade 5. Congratulations, Kushagra! He bats with confidence, fields with focus, and plays every match with passion.
The awards for excellence in general knowledge goes to Shivansh Amrit of Grade 2, Advik Singh of Grade 3, Vanya Shukla of Grade 4, and Riyansh Verma of Grade 5. They keep themselves updated with news and current affairs of the world. Let's applaud the winners.
Let's welcome on stage the achievers of excellence in yoga.
चण्डं प्रतिचण्डं करधितदण्डं कृतरिपुखण्डं सौख्यकरं लोकं सुखयन्तं विलसितवन्तं प्रकटितदन्तं नृत्यकरं डमरुध्वनिशङ्खं तरलपतंसं मधुरहसन्तं लोकभरं भज भज भूतेशं प्रकटमहेशं भैरववेशं कष्टहरं चर्चितसिन्दूरं रणभुवि दूरं दुष्टविदूरं श्रीनिकरं किङ्किणिगणरावं त्रिभुवनपावं खरपरसावं पुण्यभरं करुणामयवेशं सकलसुरेशं मुक्तसुकेशं पापहरं भज भज भूतेशं प्रकटमहेशं भैरववेशं कष्टहरम् अलिमल संहारं मदन विहारं फणिपतिहारं शीघ्रकरं उल्शं शमयन्तं परिभृतसन्तं मत्तत्रिगन्तं शुद्धतरं प्रतिनिन्दितकेशं नर्तनदेशं स्वच्छकशं सन्मुण्डकरं भज भज भूतेशं प्रकटमहेशं भैरववेशं कष्टहरं कठिनस्तनकुम्भं सुकृतं सुलभं काले डिम्भं खड्गधरं वृतभूतपिशाचं स्फुटमृदुवाचं स्निग्धसुकाचं भक्तभरं तनुभाजितशेषं विलमसुदेशं कष्टसुरेशं प्रीतिनरं भज भज भूतेशं प्रकटमहेशं भैरववेशं कष्टहरम् ललिताननचन्द्रं सुमनवितन्द्रं बोधितमन्त्रं श्रेष्ठवरं सुखिताखिललोकं परिगतशोकं शुद्धविलोकं पुष्टिकरं वरदाभयहारं सततारं शूद्रविदारं तुष्टिकरं भज भज भूतेशं प्रकटमहेशं भैरववेशं कष्टहरं सकलायुधभारं विजनविहारं सूक्ष्मविशारं भ्रष्टमलं शरणागतपालं मृगमदभालं संजितकालं श्रेष्ठ।
Thank you, friends.
Yoga is a science of well-being and integration of the body, mind and soul. The practice of yoga includes mindfulness and breathing techniques that calm the mind, reduce stress and improve focus. I invite Roopsi ma'am and Jaya Joshi ma'am to do the honors.
The award for excellence in yoga goes to Ravika Maurya of grade 2, Yuhan Ahuja of grade 3, Arav Singh, Agriya Rawat and Evita Pant of grade 5. Congratulations to the winners. They stretch with balance, bend with grace, breathe in calmness and shine with inner strength.
Look out for the achievers of Spell Bee, and the award goes to Rudraksh Bhargav of class 2, Advik Chaudhary of class 3, Paridhi Yadav of class 4 and Myra Parmar of class 5. Dear parents, keep your claps rolling. They have proved that every word has power and every letter adds to their success.
A person's handwriting is a reflection of one's personality. The award for excellence in English handwriting goes to Vivan Raj of grade 2, Pehel Sachan of grade 3, Prisha Singh of grade 4 and Adya Rawat of grade 5.
A huge round of applause for them.
Their handwriting reflects patience, practice and precision in every stroke.
सुलेख कला हमारी भाषा की शोभा बढ़ाती है। अब हम आ गए हैं उत्कृष्ट हिंदी लेखन कला पुरस्कार की घोषणा पर। यह सम्मान प्रदान किया जाता है किंजल सिंह कक्षा 2 से, आशवी सिंह कक्षा 3 से, अनिका कश्यप कक्षा 4 से, अक्षया सिंह जो है कक्षा 5 की छात्रा। आप सभी विजेताओं को बधाई।
Feel the rhythm in your veins. Let the melody take flight. With vocal cords as your instrument, paint the canvas of the night. In Western tunes, find your groove. Let each note ring clear and bright. As you journey through the music, let the passion ignite. Our friends have incredible talent to mesmerize us with their music prowess. Please join me in welcoming them.
pick myself back up. And when I fall down, I have to pick myself back up. And when I fall down, I have to pick myself back up. And when I fall down, I have to pick myself to stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up.
Thank you, friends, for leaving us spellbound with your performance. Dear audience, please give them a huge round of applause. We announce the awards for excellence in Western vocal music, and the award goes to Vivan Khare of grade 3, Lavanya Maurya and Vanya Sharma of grade 4, and Arsh Chaudhary of grade 5. These young vocalists are a harmony of talent and passion, blending their voices with confidence and climbing the musical scale together with every soulful performance. Let us applaud the winners generously.
Audience, keep your claps rolling. Moving on to the award for excellence in Western guitar, we have Vihan Rastogi of grade 4, Prathit Gupta of grade 5, and Sahib Singh of grade 5 also gets the award for excellence in Western bass guitar. Dear audience, keep your claps rolling. They strum Western melodies with skill and soul, creating harmonies that resonate with passion.
Now we have the award for excellence in keyboard, which goes to Samarth Pandey of grade 4 and Myra Dwivedi of grade 5. They've mesmerized the audience with their flawless rendition of Western tunes on the keyboard. The award for excellence in drums goes to Prarav Anand of grade 3 and Misha Sonkar of grade 5. Drums are their heartbeat. They bring rhythm and energy to every performance of theirs. Congratulations, winners!
I now invite Joyita ma'am and Roopsi ma'am to award the winners of excellence in prize exam English. And the award goes to Veer Dayal and Pranvi Agarwal of grade 2, Ayansh Verma of grade 3, Shanvi of grade 4, and Aditya Vardhan Singh of grade 5. Congratulations, friends! And for maths, the winners are Arav Banka and Yug Bajpai of grade 2, Advait Parth Kulsheshtr of grade 3, Adamya Shahi of grade 4, and Parth Singhal of grade 5. Let's give them a huge round of applause. With every calculation, they prove that math is a language of logic and beauty. Thank you, Joyita ma'am and Roopsi ma'am, for honoring the winners. Thank you, Joyita ma'am and Roopsi ma'am, for honoring the winners. Dear audience, keep your claps rolling. I now pass the microphone to Nitya for the vote of thanks.
With deep reverence, let us begin by thanking the Almighty for His abundant blessings that made this day possible. Congratulations once again to all the achievers. On behalf of Junior School, I extend my gratitude and offer my heartfelt thanks for adorning the day with your benign presence. Thank you for being such a wonderful audience.